This one came about by request, and the request was from Fiona from Gracious Tweets, who you'll see up here, and she suggested brown meat gravy. In my St Patrick's Day video I showed champ, which is mashed potatoes with scallions or green onions, along with sausages and gravy. Well, British and Irish brown meat gravy is pretty much the same, and for most of us in the Emerald Isle and in the UK, we use a product something similar to this. It's a gravy meat granules, so it looks a little like instant coffee, but we use it in a similar way. We just dilute it with boiling water and mix it up, and we end up with a thickened meat gravy. For a lot of traditional British meat gravy makers, they used a product called Bisto, which was basically a powdered meaty sort of stock with corn flour, which was then boiled along with the meat juices from roasting meat to make a gravy. The traditional way would have been classically just literally frying flour in the meat juices and the meat fat, and then making up your gravy in that traditional way from a roux sauce. However, I've been working around it a fast way to create your own sort of very quick gravy, British Irish style meat gravy, if you don't have access to this product. So if you live in a part of the world that isn't in the United Kingdom or Ireland. So onto it very quickly then. What you'll need is a beef stock cube, and what we'll do is we'll just put that into a jug for you. You can do this in a saucepan on the stove, but I'm going to do this very quickly in the microwave. You'll also need about a teaspoon of gravy browning or dark soy sauce. You can use it very similarly, so use that. And what we do is we need, first of all, you need to have this mixed up. So get yourself 2 heaped teaspoons of cornstarch mixed with enough water to make it into a liquid like that, and make sure you give it a stir before you use it. One other thing we're going to need is a kettle full of hot water with which we're going to make up our stock. So I'm just going to make this up to around about the half pint mark. That's a British pint, by the way, is 20 fluid ounces, not 16. But that's somewhere around 300 millilitres. Mix that up into a fine stock. And it's at this point you can actually taste it. So give it a taste, see what you think. You can give it a taste and adjust the seasoning. That's about bang on the money for me. Maybe a little pepper can go into it, but just for demonstration. So in goes my cornstarch, and then all I want to do now is put that into the microwave for half a minute and then see what it looks like, and then another half minute if necessary, and just keep doing it until we've got it to the right thickness. So after half a minute, the gravy I can see is starting to thicken up, and I'll just give that a quick whip, and I'm going to put that back in for another half minute and see where we are. Alright, that's it, having cooked out. And there you see it made up, and it looks pretty much as it would have looked in my St Patrick's Day video. So there you have it, brown gravy. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.